Okay, scholars, in this video we are looking at slide 8, the salary slide. And generally when you're doing research about the average salary of a profession or a career individual, it's quoted to you or presented to you in different ways based upon the source in which you are referring. Sometimes they present the salary as a range. Most often they give you a low range number, an annual salary. They'll give you middle of the road or a mean annual salary, and they'll give you a high range annual salary. Try to find these three in your research. It gives you a better picture of the overall salary compensation of a person in your career. Sometimes, however, they will quote a median starting annual salary, a median mid-career annual salary after you've been on the job for over 5 years, and then a median end-of-career annual salary. And then, last but not least, perhaps they will quote a highest paid and a lowest paid annual salary. But again, try to find these three figures right here. For example, with a little bit of searching on eHow, I found this article, the average salary of a college math professor. And it comes down and says math professors earn more than $70,000 per year on average. And they quote the Bureau of Labor Statistics to see that math professors came to $70,550 in 2009. So that's an average number of all the professors. But look what we have here. On top of that, we can get an even more detailed picture of a math professor's salary by looking at the range. At the 10th percentile level, that is, the bottom 10% of math professors earn less than $35,480 per year, while the top 10% of math professors earned above $118,450 per year, with, again, the average falling somewhere around $70,000. So you see how that picture comes out a little bit more clearly when you get all three of those figures in there. So let's get that median, that mean salary there for 70,000. I believe it's 500. Is that correct? 550. Oops. 70,550. And the range 35,480. Whoops. 35,480. 35,480, and the high range annual salary was $118,450. $118,450. I like to make those bold so we can see them, and that gives us a nice clear picture of math professor's salary. If once you find these three, you don't need the other categories, or if you find all of these, you don't need these or the other two. And there you go.